So when I click on this change, when I click on this check, so I'm not facing any issue because we don't have managed keys and all. How can I maintain keys? For staging advanced DSO. For standard we have keys because of we have a change in our table active table. For staging advanced DSO it will have only one table and I'm activating it. Data loads are same, tables are different. Okay, and I'm going to now what is the name? This is name. I'll open into RSMNG. I'll go here. I'll go back. So same T code. I'll give execute. See here. This is second one staging at the. I don't have any request. 0, 0. Till now I didn't load it. First time I'm creating. No need to ask in our team also. Okay. I'll go here. You already activated, right? I'm giving the connection. See here. And see, by default, it is in gray color. Just double click on this transformation. Click finish. Don't click back. So create new transformation. And we need to go rules. Don't think here. See, all these options are automatically will map it and activating. Okay. We'll take one real-time project lastly and we'll load carefully. Okay, activate it and close this option. Okay. We are just discussing about ADS only. I didn't discuss about transformation. Okay, next concept we'll go for that transformation options. Okay. While discussing ADS only, I'm showing you data loads as well. So that it will be clear. Okay, I'm changing it full only, example, and activating. Okay, so now I'm loading it. You know, right? Where we will load? This one, select this one. Click on this, play option. Execute it. So now I'll go here and I will refresh it. See here, how many records will come? 69 records will come. Where is the activation symbol? It is in disable mode because if you go to utilities, yeah, taking time, not responding. Yeah, it's gone, system gone. Let me. What is the ticket? RSMNG. RSMNG. Okay, what is my DSO? This is the one. Copy paste. That's it. See here how many records. So I'll go to utilities. So it's here is active table, change in a table. It is not in active mode. These are both are disabled. Even if you select, nothing will happen. So I'm clicking on new table. So having only one table, how can I move to other tables? Clear, right? So now you can see here we have a primary keys. See, for that fields and these fields are different. So let me add settings. I'm adding to for self selection, wavelength and POSNR. Example, I'm selecting two fields. So now you can see here, these fields and these fields having difference. Some gap is there. So that means what? These three fields are keys, primary keys. These fields are like non-key fields. Now I'm executing. So color also different. For keys are different color and non-keys are different color. See what is the key? I loaded. What is the timestamp? 2025 12 16 05 4 21. At that time we loaded. Remember this thing, okay? 25 12 16 today date and time 5:42:16 we loaded. Okay. So always it will be if I load this minute, so same this minute will come. That means always it will be timestamp unique, right? Data packet and record number 123. So every record based on these three records, based on these three records, based on these three fields, based on these three fields, it will treat every record as a new record. See, this is new record or not? See here, same record available in the three times, but record number is different, right? 12447. Everything is same, but record number is different. So this is the way it will treat like no new record. Every record it will treat like a new record. You can load multiple times. So even though it will allow you, because based on these three fields, it will treat like new record. Okay, understood. Staging advanced DSO, it will allow duplicate records. Okay, it won't support for you overwrite. So I'm executing again. Okay, I'll go and refresh it. I'll refresh it. See here. See here. If you want to monitor, you can go DTP. Okay, see here. Just refresh and go back. Okay, you can see. And go to utilities. So how many fields are there? 69 plus 2. See, now you can see. Now execute. Now you can see that different timestamps. See, I already put the filter, right? So three records are different timings. You can see here. See, these three records are timings are different. These three records timings are different. You can see to date is same, but this is 05, this is 05, this is 46, this is 42. So in this way, it will treat like no every record as a new record. See here, this time are different, this time some difference. Both are unique record only in the inbound table. Okay, in the active table, it won't allow you. It will override. Clear? Okay, always we are creating staging advanced layers on the staging layer. It won't allow any it will allow duplicate values. It won't have any, it won't support for any duplicates. Okay, even if you execute multiple times, it will allow you. Multiple times it will allow you. Just go and refresh it. So it will have only one table, bro. And even if you right click, and you will get only one inbound table. There is no active table, change in table. Okay, clear, right? Staging advantages. There is no active table. So they will ask you what is the difference between staging and standard. Okay, you can say in the staging advanced so we don't have activate symbol. Activate symbol. It will have only one table. What is that table? New table. What is table? Inbound table only. There is no active table, change law table. Click here. If you want to remove, if you want to delete the data, you can delete it. Okay. Like this, we have it. Okay. If you want to see same data in the, now you can able to see, right? Now you can able to see the data here. So if you want to see data in the S11, how you will see? Slash O S11, bro. Slash O S11. Star and giving the ADSO name. Click on this browse. Now, what is the table name? Inbound table name always what I'm telling it 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, right? Whenever I create ADSO, whenever I create any ADSO, inbound table 1 and 2 is active table, 3 is change law table, and 6 is extraction view, 7 is reporting view, and 8 is SQL view. Remember these options. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 all will be there in the back end in the last. Okay, I'm selecting this one and click. Okay, I'm going to here. So you can see the same data. How many? Two times we loaded, three times we loaded. So you can see 207. Clear, right? Okay. So like this you can see. Here also you can see. If you want to see same data, So copy this name. Copy this tag to table, change inbound table name. Go to SC16. Go to SC16. Give this one. So in many ways you can see the data. Okay. SC11, SC16. You can, wherever you want, you are comfortable, you can check it. SC16. Or else you can go to RSMNG. So wherever you can't, you can see the data as per your comfortable, as per your flexible. If you want to see data S11, go. If you want to see data SC16, go. RSMNG, you can go there and see the data. Clear. Okay. In the same data, I will create data mart as well. Okay. I'll go here and close this one. And closing it. So it will ask you save. Okay. I'm not saving this one. Okay. And now, where is ABC? So I'm going to create here. Right click and I'm going to create ADSO. So I'm going to create in different way now. Okay, directly I'm creating a data store object. Okay, so this anyway it is possible. Okay, ADSO. Okay, and now it is three. Okay, data mart test ADSO. So like this I'm creating it. Now you can see select data source name to realize. So we know, right, which data source we are creating. So I will explain you more how we will select this data source, how to remember all these data sources. When we go for S4 HANA, I will share all this information. Now we are just discussing ADSO part. Okay. I'm selecting data mart. Instead of standard staging, I'm selecting data mart. Now we can go to details. So do we have any manage keys? No, we don't have any manage keys. So I'm activating it, bro. Clear concept. For standard ADS only manage keys. Staging and data mart, we don't have manage keys. Okay, now what is my ADS one name? This one, right? So I right click this one and I'm going to explore data flow. Clear. So now I'm going to reverse. Last time we drag and drop data source and right click on the data source and go to data flow. Now I'm doing reverse. So however you are flexible, you can do it. So now I'm doing it. Add our data source name. So I'm adding it. Okay. However you are flexible. Okay. I'm selecting this one. See now doing. However you flexible, you can do it. Okay. Click on transformation. Click finish. Okay. So I will go to rules. Nothing to do it here. Automatically it will select it. Okay, I'm just activating. So in depth will go while we are creating project and all. Okay. Once you ready, take in system and all, and I will make it you comfortable in the tool. You just share your screen and I will explain you. And if you want, like, in the weekends also we'll connect whenever you are free. And I will make you comfortable in the tool. That is my target.
Okay, Anna.
No, I'm executing. So right? This is not monitor. Okay, this is monitor only. So I'm executing it and execute. What is my DS1 name? I will copy this one. I'll go to manage. I'll go to manage. So here I'll click on RSMNG. Okay, I will give it this name. So this is data mart advanced DSO. You see the behavior of ADSOs. So 23 records came. Okay, 23 records came now. Okay, now, okay. So when you do the activation, what will happen? For staging advanced DSO, we don't have active. Okay. So how many tables are there here? New table and active table. There is no change in table. Observe it clearly and right click and you can see inbound table active. There is no change in table. See, for standard, I can able to inbound table, active table, change in table. For staging, I can see only inbound table. For data mart, I can see inbound table, active table. That's what we discussed here also. Data mart, inbound table, active table. For staging, only inbound table. For standard, inbound table, active table, change in table. Three tables. Clear. So when we do activation, what will happen? See here. Initially, it is storing in inbound table. Now, when I do the activation, so you can go here. There is no records in the inbound table. Inbound table. See, zero records. And now, okay, if you go to active table, okay, I will show you difference. This is by default supporting for summation, bro. This is by default supporting for summation. And I will search for like no delivery quantity. I will show you differences. So delivery quantity and I will show you. Just to remember this numbers only. 3006 actual quantity. 3630. Okay. When I load again, what will happen? Okay, just keep on refresh. Okay, 23. Did you see observe? Did you observe? So by default, okay, by default, this will have summation, bro. This is summation. If we load multiple times, they will escalate you. For data mart advanced DSO, we need to load one time. If we load same data two times, it will be two times. If we load three times, it will be three times. If we load four times, it will be double. See, original value is 10,000 only. You load it four times, it is showing 40,000. Okay, they will escalate you. Exact number they require, right? To understand the concept. Data mart advanced DSO by default summation. For standard advanced DSO, you can load multiple times. It will override. For staging advanced DSO, you can load multiple times. It won't support for overwrite and summation. Understand the concept. It won't support for overwrite and summation. Standard DSO by default support overwrite. If you want make it summation, it is possible. And data mart by default summation only. It won't support for overwrite. Clear. And direct update DSO we'll see tomorrow. Clear? If you have any doubt.
Uh, and a previous server was different with today's server. No, no.
Yeah, both are same only. See, there also SAP Lagan Pal and today also SAP HANA Studio. What is the difference you have found? I mean, servers are will change. See, for
Okay.
example, you join into one company.
Mm-mm.
That is ABC company. They have different servers. Okay, I
Okay.
join in other company. So your system and my system, it will not be same, right?
Okay.
You are working on BW and HANA. I am working on BW for HANA. Some other guy will work on BW server. Some other guy will work on native HANA. Some other guy will work on S4 HANA. That is different concept. See, overall the system is same, right? Overall, this is the SAP GA. If you want, you can add any server. You can add. So you can add and you can enter it. Go to next. Next, and you can add your system name A4H1. So like this, I can add it. I need to know that application server name so that I can add. So I don't have anything.
Okay,
So
okay,
real
Anna.
time you can add it. Yeah. Already if you want to know your server details, go to properties. So now you can, so when you join in the company, you have to ask them, can you please share the system details? So that they will share like this. And you can go and create it, add it. You can go and add it. They will share you those details. And you can go to next and you can add those details. Clear. So whatever I'm showing you here, right click and going to properties. These properties they will share with you. Okay, this will
Okay,
just
Anna.
take the details and you can go and add it. Same details only, right? Whatever they shared details. You can go next and you can add it. Okay. So like this it
Okay,
will
okay,
be.
Anna.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay,
HANA
okay.
Studio also same. If you go to HANA Studio, BW Modeling, see in the old system also same. So in the old system, we are facing lot of issues. Okay, now it will be fine. Okay.
Okay, okay, and currently even I got the same server, Anna.
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. Okay. So
Okay, okay,
if you are stuck anywhere, message
mm.
me and call
Okay,
me. Okay,
okay,
we'll
Anna. Okay,
discuss further.
okay, Anna. Thank you, Anna.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.